Now it makes sense.
He gone. Oh my, the bugs are horrible in here.
I am my mother on the wall. It's all. I'm moving water shore to shore. Nothing's more.
No, no, no.
Oh, I got a walleye. Oh wow, that is big. Rob, we got a walleye. It's a big one.
Yeah.
Get bigger ones.
Yeah, we'll get.
That's not. I thought it was pretty big.
How big do you think that is?
Oh, 21, 22.
21, 22.
28 is the trophy.
That's cool. Did you already kill him?
No. How easy it got here?
Ooh. That's a cool video.
It had already given up at that point, though.
Did he put up a good fight though?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was.
I think my walleye put up a little bit. I think the walleye fight a little harder, to be honest.
Well,
The pike seemed to just give up about 30 seconds after they, you know, they're like, oh, I've been beaten.
well, that's
Fillet.
here's that. But that's the
Trout. Yeah, it looks like a trout.
Eel.
It does, doesn't it?
It's like an eel and a catfish combined.
Look, Rob, he's on the eel.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah.
It was really interesting. I caught one of the, like I got 3 bites right off the bat, and I caught that thing.
You caught one of those Mariah too?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I didn't
Yeah, we
know
each
that.
caught a
It's
burbot.
called a yeah, burbot.
Howard called it a burbot.
That's what he said the other name was. It goes by multiple names. Eel fish.
Wait, what? What is that?
It's an Xbox controller.
Oh, really?
Look.
Dude.
I'm gonna play Halo.
Stop it. Get some help.
It's a fat nut. That's one of the things in Brent's guide, you know, coming here when he's telling you things to bring. Is, you guys probably saw it, cigarettes. Because this is the time to try to quit smoking.
Oh.
Those are all walleye.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, these longer pieces are walleye.
Yeah, the trouts are going to be shorter ones.
Okay. That's how we can go with it.
You're going to hike later and burn it all off.
No, this is perfectly good.
Just stick it on a stick and then poke it over the fire.
Watch out, incoming.
I'm good.
You're in the spray zone.
Listen, I am waterproof and large.
And oil proof.
Large hot oil proof.
We got beans. We got beans.
Kinda cute.
God.
That guy doesn't want to leave home. That guy.
That's it looks like the same one.
He's like a little over 39.
Had lunch last time.
That's what he was saying.
Me and Tyler went up there on that hill and walked around.
So squishy. Wait, I'm coming.
Virginia.
Jesus. If I fall off, I'm not letting go.
Is that your decision?
That is my decision.
Then it is fine.
Jeez, my arm is getting tired.
Here he comes. He looks pretty thick.
Yeah. My arm is so tired.
You think it's a trophy, Howard?
Yes, alright, we gotta see what the size is to make sure.
Well, yeah.
I mean, if it's the.
Oh,
Oh my god!
That dude is dummy thick. He dummy thick.
Oh, dude, I'm so happy. Here, give me in this.
Can,
Gosh.
but that wouldn't be a good idea.
Here, wait, I'm gonna grab my gloves. Here, I got a glove for you. Here you do.
Oh, shit. It's on video, Howard.
Dude, this is huge.
My mind was running through the woods instead.
Oh, he's 41.
100 miles an hour in the fast.
41.
41.
Just barely 41.
It's almost You did it. You barely got it.
a trophy.
Vagabond dreaming takes me through the night. Sipping whiskey by the river, living out of sight. 100 miles an hour in the fast lane. 100 miles an hour toward the light. See the curve in that river's bed. Now look at you when I see my friend. 100 miles an hour in the fast lane. 100 miles an hour to the end.